There's a lot of things you can learn, and there's plenty of videos online with people learning skills. When searching for Cyr Wheel, I saw this video online and thought, awesome! If I just practice for 30 days, I could be as cool as this guy. Well, nope. I think the expectations gained from looking at solely those who have succeeded is extremely misleading. There's a survivorship bias. We're focusing on Cyr Wheel practitioners who have made it good enough to post a video about their progress. We're not seeing an accurate picture of the progression. We see all the highs and none of the lows. There exist no videos of Cyr Wheel beginners who have given up. And while luckily I don't have a given up story, I do have a bunch of videos showing my progress. And my progress was much slower than anticipated. In these videos, I'm trying to learn the most basic and fundamental move, the waltz. This is what the waltz looks like. Continuous spinning on the Cyr Wheel, shifting weight from foot to foot. Yeah, seems easy enough, and at first I expected to get it within 1 week. That didn't happen. It was only until day 34 that I felt it really nice for the first time, and by day 40 got 10 out of 10 continuous spins consistently. But it was hard. After setting an initial goal of 1 or 2 weeks max for learning the waltz, not hitting your goals suck. After the second week, the frequency of my training sessions decreased rapidly. For me, motivation and inspiration is temporary. I had a great feast of passion on day 1, but by day 12 I was already starving, bored, and started questioning myself. Was I making progress? Why am I so slow compared to the videos online? What's the point on spinning on this circle anyway? And around this time I saw this video by Toby. He seemed so into Cyr Wheel on his first day. Like me, right? But still, to this day, 4 years later, there's no follow-up video of him being able to waltz. Did Toby ever learn to waltz? Will I ever learn it? Anyway, whatever, Mark. Just keep going, I told myself. I was noticing the Cyr Wheel was helping my hip in terms of posture, and as I work a desk job, a break with the new movements of the wheel turned out to be really good for me. So okay, 1 pro of practicing there. And so I kept practicing, and I got the move. Cool. But that's what happens when you practice. It's pretty predictable. There's a move that you want, and you practice to get it, and you get it. But looking back now, it doesn't matter at all whether I got it in 7, 14, 34, or even 100 days. It's that cliche of the journey. I'm still practicing, and that's the reward in itself. And while it'd be great to become really good, that's not what matters. What matters is that I just keep challenging myself.